Hello there, it's me, Julie again. So now let me teach you how to create a credit memo in QuickBooks online. All right. So first, we have to understand what is a credit memo. So a credit memo is a posting transaction that can be applied to a customer's invoice as partial or full payment. A credit memo doesn't refund the customer, so it's not a money out transaction, and it reduces the accounts receivable but not the cash. All right, so now let's dive into um, our creation of the credit memo. So all we have to do is select save, select plus new, next credit memo. So, all right, so we are here on the credit memo screen, or the other way around, we can also navigate from the sales center, then all sales, then on the drop down menu of the new transaction, just select here credit memo. There you go. We have here the credit memo screen. So all we have to do is to fill in the sections, including the customer, the products and services, the quantity, and amount. So in our case, we will go to the customer, namely Duke's Basketball Camp. So it automatically adds the email address and the billing address and also the credit memo date. And from the product and services, just let us input here the products and services, the rock fountain. Next, uh, if you want to change necessary details like the quantity and rate, so you can easily do that. Just highlight this one and then you can change it into 2 if you want. So that's it. So this is the new amount. And then when you're done, just select save and close. So we have here the options, save and close, save and new, then save and send. So for this moment, we just have to select save and close. All right, then click save and close. All right, so the credit memo 1038 is already saved. So clients can now apply this credit memo to an invoice for the customer. So on our next video, we will doing we will do, or I will be going to show you how to apply the credit memo that we have created. So that's it. Thank you for watching.